Hello, and welcome to Cuneiform Chat. In this video, I am going to show you the complete human handoff system. What happens when AI isn't enough and your customer needs a real person? Let's get into it. AI agents are great, until they're not. Sometimes a customer needs a real human. The question is, can you hand off smoothly without losing context, without making the user repeat themselves, and without dropping the ball? With Cuneiform Chat, the answer is yes. Most handoff systems are painful. The user asks for a human, gets dumped into a queue with no acknowledgement, and when someone finally picks up, they have zero context. The user repeats everything. The agent scrambles. Everyone loses time. We built handoff differently. Let me show you exactly how Cuneiform Chat handles the handoff, from detection to resolution. When a user asks for a human, the AI agent doesn't just blindly escalate. A secondary classification check. Another system agent verifies that the user genuinely requested a human. This check prevents false triggers, where the AI might misinterpret something like, "Can you act more human?" as an escalation request. Only verified requests create a handoff session. Here's the full flow. The user requests a human, and the AI creates a handoff session in the queue. Your team gets an instant notification. A human agent accepts the session, and live chat begins on whatever channel the user is on. Telegram, Slack, WhatsApp, the website widget, any of them. When the issue is resolved, the human agent closes the session, and the user is seamlessly handed back to the AI. If no one accepts in time, the session auto-expires and the user returns to the AI with a message explaining what happened. Now let me walk you through the inbox, where your team manages all of this. The inbox dashboard gives your team a real-time view of all handoff sessions. You see queued sessions waiting for someone to pick up, active sessions where a human agent is chatting, and resolved sessions for reference. Each entry shows the user's name, which channel they're on, which AI agent escalated, the reason for escalation, and how long they've been waiting. Counts update in real time. When a human agent accepts a session, they're taken to the live chat panel. They type a message in the admin panel, and it's delivered directly to the user on their original channel. Whether that's Telegram, Slack, WhatsApp, Discord, Meta Messenger, Google Chat, or the website widget. The user responds on their channel, and the message appears in the inbox in real time. It's a seamless two-way conversation across platforms. This is what makes the handoff actually useful, the context sidebar. When a human agent accepts a session, they immediately see an AI-generated summary of the entire conversation so far, the specific reason the AI escalated, and the recent messages leading up to the handoff. They can see the user's channel, a timeline of events, and who's involved. No one has to ask, "Can you repeat your issue?" The agent already knows everything. Let me show you how messages get delivered across channels and how you configure the entire flow. The system automatically routes human agent messages to whatever channel the user is on. Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, Messenger, Google Chat. Each one uses the platform's native API for delivery. The human agent doesn't need to know or care which channel the user is on. They just type and send. When the issue is resolved, the human agent clicks Resolve. A configurable message is sent to the user. You can include the agent's name and organization name using placeholders. The conversation status returns to normal, and the AI agent takes over again. From the user's perspective, it's one continuous conversation. AI, then human, then AI, all in the same chat thread. Every message in the handoff flow is configurable per agent. Set the auto message shown when the handoff is created, the accept message sent when a human picks up, with support for agent name and organization name placeholders, and the resolve message sent when it's done. You also set the maximum wait time, 5, 15, 30, 60 minutes, or 2 hours. If no one accepts within that window, the session expires automatically as AI agent takes over the conversation. We built in 2 safety nets so no user gets stuck waiting forever. First, if a queued session isn't accepted within the configured timeout, it automatically expires and the user gets a message letting them know. Second, if a session has been waiting in the queue for more than 3 minutes, an email reminder goes out to your entire team. No session falls through the cracks. The inbox page also tracks agent presence. While the page is open, it sends a presence ping roughly every 20 seconds. Your team can see who's currently online and available to accept handoff sessions, so you know whether someone is actually watching the queue. AI handles the routine, humans handle the exceptions, and the transition between them should be invisible. That's human handoff in Cuneiform Chat. Try it free at cuneiform.chat. Thanks for watching. If you missed the previous video on bringing your AI agents natively into Google Workspace, check that one out next. Drop a comment if you have questions, and I will see you in the next one.